Hi everyone, this is Lynette coming to you again with another tutorial. On today, I'm going to share how to style hair, and if you would like to book an appointment, you can book online 24/7 at enhancedhaircare.com. So right here, what I am doing is I'm basically going in and giving my client a tight mold. Also, I'm going to add some baby bangs to the front section of her hair, just to frame her face. And on the side sections, I am going to go in and do some waves on the sides. This is a two-part series. So if you didn't check the full color and cut out, I will leave the link down below so that you can view that video. And also what I'm doing right here is I'm basically point cutting her hair. Point cutting adds a lot of texture and movement. It softens up your haircut. And so basically I'm just going to let you guys look and learn as I curl her hair. So as you guys can see, I am just finger styling her hair because she has such great texture into her hair. I really don't have to do too much. I'm just pulling her hair loose, tossing it a little bit, but she absolutely loved her hair. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you also much for all the love that you show. I love you guys, and have an achievable